What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fresh One here at H&M Landing.
It's a double birthday. Oh, you too?
Got the Pongo boys with me.
Yeah, dude.
This is the second Moose Pirate fishing extravaganza.
Bonita Bonanza
right here.
Bonita Bonanza.
It's already happening. It's already happening. So we're jumping on the Daiwa Pacific, Captain Mike Zizak's new boat, and we're gonna see what we can do. Everybody's catching a bunch of Dorado and some Yellowtail, so we'll see what happens. Peace.
Alright, so this is Daiwa Pacific. We got a couple of the crew here, deckhands. Show you the bad boy. Show you what we got going around. There you go, we got Big Boo, Pete's Meats, Big Damon's. Nice and newly done deck. Looking good. Big bad Dave. What's poppin', dude? Birthday boy. Another birthday boy. I got the galley. Got the wire. Salty mama.
Fresh One! Coming down the rail, coming down the rail.
That Yellowtail came out of
Coming down the rail. Coming down the rail, coming down the rail.
Number 50.
We might.
Hey guys, make sure we're working with each other. Hey,
Hold on,
Marty,
my light right there.
Hey, make sure we're working with anybody. I think right now would be a great time to get over to that 46 down.
There you go.
Now work with my guys.
Oh, good mahi. Huh?
Yeah, brother.
Nice, Joey. Woo! Oh, he's in the cap. Oh, he came out. There we go. Fresh One. Back on. I'm on the hubs.
Fresh One.
Under me, damn, under me. Yeah. Oh, no. Stop. Never mind. I can't see. Under you. Going under. Little yellow. I'm bouncing up and over. I'm bouncing up and over. Up and over.
You guys make sure we get a tag on your kid.
Oh, shit. Little yellow. Hey, where's Kiko at? Where's Kiko?
How we doing, boys? Come on over. I'll be the tagger. So guys, the way we do
Oh, Fresh One!
here tagging, the other ones are running around gapping. Give it
Fresh One! Woo!
number. Oh, nice. Job roll. You guys, nice.
Sorry. Man, free swimmers everywhere. Oh, another yellow. Sweet. Check him out. Check him out there, swimming here. Let's try it. Bounce this little guy. Fuck, Dorado's everywhere. Nice. Nice. Come on, Kiko, get in there. There's free swimmers everywhere, bro. What the fuck have you been doing?
Yeah, Mike, don't
Come on. Oh, yeah, it's working. Any color, gaff right here. Oh, leave it right there, Squirt.
Let me get in here, guys.
Woo, man. Up. Turn that star dial. Lift that shit up. There we go, first one! What's going on here? Get your shit out of here! What the hell's going on here? Oh my god, Troyer! Oh my god, go this way, Troyer, to the right! Oh my god, Troyer!
Let me get him on top. Hold on, guys. Work together here. Hold on, sir. Sir, you gotta just wait. Wait a second. You guys are wrapping each other up. You guys just take a breath, everybody.
There you go. Alright, I'm up and over, excuse me. Right here on this color right here, this beautiful mahi. Woo! Stop.
Thank you.
Fuck. I wanna bring this guy way up here. Get from the bow.
Right here, I see ya.
It's pretty. See that bad boy? It's tired. Oh. Woo! Thank you, sir. Bam! On the Daiwa Pacific, baby. Woo! Hell yeah. Yeah, just cut it. You just cut it out on the outside. It's so good. Oh, thank you very much.
Tight anyways.
Yep.
Your number?
Thank you very much, man.
Work on that rod of yours. Yeah, a little bit more work on it.
Stop lifting when I gap them, don't lift, okay? So as soon as I go swing, just don't do anything. A little bit, Mike. Keep it straight out.
Nice and slow, bro.
Okay, nothing. Don't do anything.
Yeah. Let's see, honey.
We did it!
Let's see, babe. Give the man a high five.
Good job, nice.
Yeah. Good job, Cat Mike.
Huh?
Say good job, brother.
Oh, right on, brother. Oh, what a morning, huh?
Man, all over the place.
Now make sure you guys communicate, okay?
No fucking animals allowed. Oh, it's a nice jump. Oh.
Work together, boys. There you go. Nice communication right there.
I'm big.
Babe, come here.
Fresh one!
Babe, get over here.
Hey, calm your ass down.
Turn that damn switcher off.
You gotta keep his head in the water.
Yeah, this is a better grade.
Don't pull it.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Follow it down.
Good, baby. Come my way, buddy. Come my way. What's this guy at? Yay! Kiko's on it. Huh? I think it's a free swimmer right there. Oh, you're trying to get a free swimmer?
Who's this pole? Who gave me this pole? I did. Right here. Who gave me this pole? I did.
What number is that one? 14 here. You tag.
Hey.
Sick. Babe! Woo!
Guys on you. I see you right there. Give me 1 second. Guys, let me get by. Let me get by.
Careful the starboard. I got a snag.
I see that. This side.
Yeah. Thanks, guy, Mike. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. Good. Broke off.
Get him, Dana. Mundo, did you get bit? Get one?
Oh, no. Hey, we can't let him go. You said it.
Farmer. Farmer.
Like that. Easy. Put your rod in free spool. Put your rod in free spool.
Fresh one! Oh! Oh! Come on left, come on left, come on left. Hey, keep, oh, sorry, come on left. There we go. Go up here and nobody's been. Whoa! Oh! Oh!
You did it. Would you like that rod? Okay.
Oh, it's fucking awesome, bro.
Huh?
It's fucking awesome, brother. Can't fucking beat it.
Gab, I'm here. Oh, what? That's what they always say. Oh, nice. Going to go over her?
Yep. Okay, good. Come on, baby. Sorry.
No, you're good. They're tricky. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, of course. That's what happened.
They gotta have my fucking.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, now I got it wrapped around my gap. Ah.
Where do you want me? Where do you want me?
Wait 1 second. Get it free spool.
Free spool?
Oh, now we did it.
Huh?
Give me a second. I see you.
Oh, there we go. What do you mean do? Oh,
I'm trying to slow.
Oh, nice dodo. Or here, get his.
There you go.
Got you. Cool.
I see you. Keep him in the water. Wait 1 second, Robert. Keep him in the water. I don't know how I got myself.
Bring it, sorry.
Okay, we got you. There you go.
Perfect.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Nice yellow. Nice yellow.
Wait,
That bruiser there. Big Rich.
Yeah, boy.
Woo! Dodos. Wide open bite.
Light bait rod?
Come here, little guy. Come here, little girl, should I say.
Count it, dude, do it.
Watch out, Troyer. Watch out, Troyer. Watch out, Troyer.
Turn the handle a little more. There you go. More.
Oh.
Really?
Oh.
Really?
Sorry.
Wind down. Wind
Hey,
down.
get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off. Hey, at least mine didn't go 5 feet, 10 feet from me.
I'm new. I don't know what to do.
Just went back in the water.
You got one there. You're, where are you up to go?
Fresh one. Come over here. Come over here, buddy. Going down. Hot rail. Watch out, Albert. Hot rail.
There you go.
Coming over here. Slide and left.
I wouldn't go that way.
Sorry. Shit, hold on. Go over me, Rich. There you go. Coming back. Right here. Thank you, sir. You're the man. Woo! How many you got? BFF.
Two lost two.
Yellow Dorado again.
For the day?
For the day? So far, yeah.
Come through numbers up.
Oh,
I'm gonna find a 2.
look at
There's a Dorado, Mike.
Get a bigger hook.
bigger hook.
Yeah. Because if you farm 2, and then,
Same as yours.
I know, but I'm an expert. So you're a novice. I'm just kidding.
Should I get a bigger hook?
Just let him, give him that 3 count. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000.
Yeah, I lost one on that.
Okay, then give him a 2 count.
No, that's how I lost one of them. And the other one got tangled up and fucking line got
Huh?
tangled up.
It's alright. Next time. Next round. Get the fuck out of the way, right?
Come on,
You're
dude.
fucking
Hey,
big,
hey,
right?
hey, your hooker's
Make
out
a
of the
better
way.
door than you do anything else.
Walk it down. You gotta walk it down.
I go fresh one! There you go, babe. Oh, go, babe. Good job. Oh, that's another jumper. Oh, careful. Good job, honey. Oh, look. Yeah, mocos! Oh, sorry. Thought you were dealing with Star. Oh, a little bit. Want me to switch out? So I just bounce that fucker?
Yeah, you might want to.
Yeah. Here, baby. Here. All right. There you go. Good job. Good job. Oh, hold her on. She wanted to do her first bounce. She wanted to do her first bounce.
I was trying.
Okay, let me gap it.
All right, we're good.
Okay.
On the hubs.
Try to put his head in the water for me. Yeah, when they're up like that, I can't get a good shot on them.
Oh shit. Nice. Thanks, sir.
Oh, babe, that's a big one.
Yes, it is, honey. That's why you married me.
It took you a little bit to get that. What's your guys' number?
5 and 6.
5 and 6, okay.
Oh, you got the baby. Good job.
Or is that Yellowtail?
Huh? That's Dorado.
Oh, it looked like Yellowtail at first.
I know, I heard you. I get little babies, but I'm gonna go get another one right now. Hold on.
I need it.
Here, babe. Here. Here. Oh, hold on. Huh? Here. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hold on, don't move.
Babe, there's nothing
Don't
in there.
move, yes. Oh, there's no, okay, good. Let's see. So what we got, babe?
He's running.
Hey, slow down. Slow
I
down.
won't even turn.
Okay, up, reel up, pull up, reel down, okay? Up, reel down. There you go, that's how you do it. Get off the rail too, back up a little bit. Right there. Pull up, reel down. There you go, perfect. I saw him like right at the kelp, so. There he is, see, you see him? He's in the kelp, so.
It's not even reeling.
Let's see.
See? Look at it. You're so cute.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, why won't it?
Cause he was in the kelp. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna hide in here. I'll be right back, okay?
The belt on. The belt on. Go. The belt on. Will it fit you?
Oh god, here we go. Here, look at.
No? No, it's okay. Then here, just reel him in the way you want.
Right back.
Get him in here.
Yell for me if it's up on, if the color's up.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Yeah, boy. Wide open shenanigans going on right here.
Yeah, okay.
Coming through. Got big bad Pete. See Pete. Oh, there you're on. We got Troy, check him out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're
Let's see.
Hold on, I got gaff.
Yeah. You got his gaff. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Gaff.
That's a nice one. Gaff from starboard. Woo! Oh, babe. Oh, that's yours.
Adriana, that's a big one.
Oh, God.
Yeah!
Point. Woo! Oh, yeah, I'm a yellow. Yeah, babe.
Yes!
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
I want to keep the hen
Yes.
for my vlog.
Yes. Good fucking job.
Can you take a picture of me with that one?
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, bit. Oh, fuck yeah.
Didn't fight that hard, actually.
Huh?
Didn't fight that hard, actually.
Oh, really?
It's a nice one.
Let's see. You go.
Get a gaff.
Right here, Albert.
Gaff.
You get it. Oh, sorry. I got you, man. I got you. Right here, look at me. Look at me. Hey, look at me, cabrón.
Are you taking pictures of
Pay attention, pay attention.
smiling for you. Keep his head in the water for me.
Look at our fish.
Woo! Let me see. Watch out, Albert. Cabrón.
Tell them to cut it in half and put in 1 and 3 and 1 and 4.
Hold up, let me see. Bring him over here. Nice, bro. Nice. Let's see, Pete.
Hooked up.
Deep color Dorado. Deep color Dorado. Oh yeah, that's a good shot right there. Hey Pete, look at me. Nice. Nice. Grab her fish and hold it for me. Woo! Look at me, look at me, look at me. Nice, nice. Nice. Nice.
Did you get that on camera? That's awesome.
Woo. Hell yeah, baby. That's it, Pete. Hell yeah, perfect. I'll cut those out. Sir. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh. Come on, you big fuckers. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, a fresh one.
That's a good one. Are you staying on your rock?
Where are we at?
There you go. Way to work together, you guys.
Come on, Moose. Oh, I got another rat. Alright, come in, up and over. Up and in, up and in, up and in, up and in, up and in. Got this little guy. Got this little guy. Throw him back or
Come here, take a step back, you guys.
throw her back. Come here, girl. Oh, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, sorry. Woo! Woo! Oh, okay. Hot reel, hot reel. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, shit. Oh, God, look at that. Look at that shit. I don't want nothing to do with that. Look at that. Oh, God. Is that yours?
Yeah, you just got it right in the end, too.
Is that yours right there? What's up, guys? All right, fresh one. So I'm here with Captain Mike Z, here to tell you a little bit about his boat and his beginning. So here's Captain Mike Z.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, yeah. They were already screwing up. Retake.
No, that's right. Great. I'll edit it. I'll edit it. Don't worry about it. There you go. Captain Mike Z.
Wait, see, you gotta ask me the question.
No. All right, Mike. So tell me about your beginnings, Mike.
So I initially started off, I was as a pinhead. My dad used to work on the Malihini, the Fisherman 3, when Tim Green found it. I started coming out when I was 10. Started working full time when I was 16. I was running the boat when I was 19. I was running the Malihini when I was 19 years old. I ran that all the way up until 2017. And we left. We went and looked for other things. So we ran the Out-of-Stack to Pride for a season, and then we ended up here on the Daiwa Pacific as the owner.
Oh, yeah. All right. So how's the day going, and what are we doing?
Man, I as long as our group's having fun, I think it's going epic. We got, I think we're at 140 Dorado and six or seven Yellowtail. So on a one-day trip to think about Plan B, I think that makes for an epic trip. So now we're heading to Clemente. There's been a little bit of Yellowtail at Clemente, a little bit of bluefin outside of Clemente. So we're gonna see if we can catch a couple more fish before we have to go home. I think as of right now, we're sitting at 150 fish for 18 guys at before breakfast was done.
All right. boat?
The Daiwa Pacific. The
Yeah,
DP.
baby. Yeah, boy. That's it. That's it. Headed to Clemente. Hopefully get some good calico bass and hopefully some yellowtail, but we'll see what's up. Dave. You're horrible. That's it. Coming through, coming through.
Ponga boys 2. Ponga 1. Hey, they got recruited in Ponga 1 now.
Yeah. Boys. Coming through, brother. Oh, yeah. Yeah, big dog. What's up, brother? Dennis. Hold on, wait. Don't move,
Learning about Cornish game hen.
Long Beach Fishing Supply, ladies and gentlemen. It's the best shop in Long Beach. It's the best shop in LA County, actually. Jimmy Caivo's our go-to guy for all the good tackle. The best jigs in town, as well as the best hooks at the best prices. We love Jimmy.
Jimmy Caivo, baby.
The Ponga boys right here.
What's up, Ponga boys? Are coming. Yeah. Let me see. Pull them up. Pull up. Let me see.
Hold on, get a picture. Get a shot of that, Rob. Nice.
Grandma the eyeball. Double eyeball. Right there. Put your finger in his fucking mouth. Yeah, that was enough. Yeah. Benita? Nice. Down and up, babe. Nice and slow, okay? Don't need to go crazy. There you go.
The current's a lot different today.
Oh, that's it. That's one, babe. That's that good steady pump. Pull up, reel down, nice and slow.
Follow it.
Come this way. Come this way. Sliding right. Come this way, babe. All the way. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. It is.
It is?
Yeah. Pull up, reel down. There you go. Pull up, reel down. Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
Nice. Pull up, reel down. Come this way. Come this way. Come. Oh, sorry. Pirate, lift their shit up. Coming through. Coming right. Coming right, Adriana. There it is. Yeah. Woo! Nice. On the hubs, baby.
I did it by myself.
Okay, get it. On the hubs. On the hubs, man. I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you, they fucking rock.
I did it by myself.
Shoot that, baby. Pull it over this way, baby. No, you get this.
Got it?
Yeah. Alright. Thank you.
Thing still got the fucking umbilical cord. He's yelling for gas. Thing still has the umbilical cord.
Calico.
Here we go.
go. It's a nice little guy, huh, babe? It's like my fourth.
Rob, you want a picture with that?
Somebody gotta put something on the board.
Ouch.
Yep. Oh, there you go, look at it. There you go, there you go. There you go. Oh, here, babe. Here, babe. Here.
You need one.
Let me get this free.
Oh, you fucker. The calico. It's the target species.
One after another.
That's Juanita?
Hmm?
Oh, like that. That's cute.
One after another.
One after another. I'm beat up fucking junk right here.
That's ring with it.
There we go. Oh, stunk. Let me fucking take a shit. Yeah, like throw it out as far as you can. You might get little bumps as soon as you throw it out. Oh, that was a good stop. Oh, right one, right here. Right one. Woo! That's it. That's it. Yeah, fucker. You would curse me. That's the right one. That's the right one, boys.
Yeah, it is. Is it?
Yeah. Oh, come on. What's your shit, Joey? Or is that a big bonito? One of the two. No, that's a yellow. That's a yellow.
Oh, baby! Yellow.
Get him? Oh, shit.
Hot dog.
Woohoo!
I think they want to go to the boat.
Woohoo! There it is. On the hub. Oh, hold on. Calico. Huh?
What the fuck are you doing different, bro?
It's just the hubs, man.
I got that.
It's just a calico. Hold on. Grab one.
I don't believe it. I don't believe this thing works. So what do you do?
Huh? right, guys, fresh one. The day is ended and we're headed home. It was great. Okay, so it was great. We killed the Dorado. Captain Mike Z with the Daiwa Pacific was awesome, and we had a good time. So pan back.
It was good.
Great time. Thanks for the invite. So until next time, fresh one.